Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to be able to take control of your wake clocks on any device without needing root. This is TK and this is XDA TV. First thing we need to make sure is have ADB installed correctly on our system. Follow the link in the description below. Install it. Once you have that, just type in ADB devices. And as long as your device is connected and authorized, you'll be able to connect and set that up and make sure that you're good. Once we have this, we just need to do ADB shell. And that, once it changes over like this, it tells you that we're connected to our device and we have correct permission. The one thing we want to make sure now is make sure to turn on better battery stats. So if you don't have root, you need to turn that on. So the command for that one is very simple. If you downloaded the version from the XDA forum, you need to type in this command. It'll be asks then that better battery stats _ XDA edition. If you download the one directly from the Play Store, meaning you already own this, make sure you delete the the option here where it says _ XDA edition, which is for me what the situation is. I actually own already the application, so all I need to do is delete this and everything else will stay the same. Hit enter. And once you have that, the command prompt will come back to normal, and that gives permission to better battery stats to run. Normally when you're using this application, you're noticing right now it says it's plugged in because I'm connected via USB. Better battery stats does not run when it's connected to be charged. So you need to make sure you have it unplugged for some time. I'm going to actually put in a picture for you guys here real quick showing you what it looks like when it's unplugged. But the main point here is you'll copy the actual application or the process that is actually taking the wake clock, and we're going to be using Snapchat for this example. So what I need to do is ADB shell. I'm back into the system, and here we're going to be able to paste this command. Now it's command app ops set com.snapchat.android wake clock ignore. What you're noticing here is I'm just putting in the application name and I'm asking it to ignore the wake clock command for Snapchat. So once I do this, it's going to come back and give me the same command, and from now on Snapchat no longer has wake clock privileges when the device screen is turned off. It will only run in the foreground. Wake clocks are essentially a function of the application to run in the background whenever your device screen is off. It wakes up the CPU, it wakes up the system, and pulls some data to be able to update itself. Sometimes we see that wake clocks are not released in time, which means they are held for an extended amount of time, draining your battery and obviously using your data if you have a capped number there. The main thing you want to be aware of, what we did today is disable the function of the wake clock for this specific application while the device screen is off, which means if you open the application and it's in the foreground, everything will run normally. But when you put it back into the background or close the application, no more wake clock permission will be given to this application till you allow it, which means you run the same process and type in allow as opposed to ignore. And then what's going to happen there is that the application will go back to normal. So be aware when you're doing this that you may change some of the functionality of some of these applications, meaning receiving notifications when the screen is off. Other than that, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe as usual to this channel, to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.